down.
Yeah, just like I said, I just got this game.
Anyway.
Imagine someone makes that into a meme like, I just got this game.
Wait, what was it? Where's the word? Hi,
What the?
It's dumb.
Yeah, he was definitely not thinking of the intro would be that. Yeah, that definitely did not happen as the intro. Dude, why are you putting the wrecking ball there? This is so hard. Why did I thought it was you again?
Yes. I won, dude.
I win it too.
Okay.
We see no points. We see no points. Gonna put a jetpack. I'll put it up, but up, but up, but. I got the jetpack.
I died.
This is the evil version of me.
Wait, this is the good, this is the dumb version of me.
That's very dumb, you know. Dumb. Oh, I know how to make that hard. Now it's hard. No! Dang. This is so gutted.
What? How did it also get?
No!
I died by the trap.
I wanted to get that coin.
I put it there. You think it's nothing? But it is.
Can I destroy the wrecking ball?
Don't destroy the wrecking ball.
Why? I'm gonna destroy the beehive then. Can I destroy the beehive? What did I just take?
What did it hit?
Oh, I made it slippery. Gonna make this slippery. Dude, no! Let's get yes. That's 2 points. Yes.
You need to say no points. Except points.
Put a coin next to the jetpack. Yes, I need this. Why did you blow up the jetpack? I'm the coin there. You should have at least left the coin there.
Come on, I died because of a wrecking ball.
Yes!
Yes.
What the? I'm skipping.
You're bumping your bum. Dude.
What?
It's dumb, dude.
Yeah, done there. Diggly-dee! Meanwhile, faraway place.
He's on the front with him. Around the time I do that.
Dude, do something! Okay, extra ball. I'm gonna put another coin down. I'm gonna put the coin in here.
Look what I did.
Oh, you what the?
I died.
What in the world is that? Oh, it looked like spikes, but it was just the ice. Wait, how did I get out of here? Dude, I'm stuck. No, I'm stuck. Okay, I give up.
No, don't. Don't stop.
I cannot get out of
No,
here.
I know how. Wait,
Oh,
no. Up the chocolate.
What?
That's the way.
I could have actually gotten out, I think. Hey guys, subscribe because, and it will make it the subscribe button turn red because that's the way.
And we'll make the subscribe button pink.
Oh yeah, guys, I heard if you like this video, you get 3 cookies with chocolate chip cookies. You just need to like the video, guys. Okay, just like the video.
Yeah, like the diggles.
Yeah, you will also be get your favorite thing you like, your favorite food too. Why did you just do that? Oh wait, now there's no food there actually. Now there is. No, you don't have to. You put the coin right there.
Ah! This is
Yes, I escaped.
stupid trap is in the way. I'm gonna blow it up.
Yes, I won! Post-mortem trap. Oh, I know what to do. Oh, I have an idea. Wait, what? Oh, I should put a coin there. Oh, the coin's still there.
Dude, this trap is so dumb.
And the jump is actually so dumb.
Next time I get dumb, I'm gonna blow it up.
Yes! Oh yeah.
You're the ultimate squirrel.
I won a championship.
Dude, one time I was the ultimate raccoon or something.
Yeah.
So what map are we playing next?
Wait, let's see if we have the question mark now. Oh, we do. Go to the iceberg again.
Iceberg?
Yeah, iceberg. Let me do it for you.
No, I'm gonna try. If I don't make it, then you.
Come on, dude.
Okay, you do it.
Okay, let me do it.
Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Oh yeah, and
Oh, choppy head.
okay, and if you don't have eggs, scramble your hair instead. Because one time, let's tell a story while we do this. Yeah, because one time my cousin was on a train to New York, and he asked for scrambled eggs on the menu, but then his waiter came and said, "There's no scrambled eggs!" But it was on the menu. So
Yeah.
that's dumb.
Can you tell the viewers
No,
things about you?
No, I'm going to tell them a whole story about a monkey.
What the?
He got meant to play with the birdhouse record. That's from Curious George. I won't sing the whole song though.
Yeah, we might get copyrighted. Why did you sing the song? We might get copyrighted.
No.
goodness, dude. Why did you just do that? No! What in the world, dude? No!
No! No! I was gonna jump to there.
Yeah.
I couldn't.
Hello! There's no...
Hello! Oh, I'm so gonna blow something up.
Okay, blow it up.
What the hell, dynamite?
Yeah, I
I have a bomb. Wait, can I blow the ship up?
No, you can blow up those things up there. No, I know what to blow up there.
No, don't blow up the wrecking ball.
I know that. Okay. Need this up there. Put it there. Alright, I'm just gonna see you.
Why not?
Okay, I'm fine. Then walking. No, I missed it! I missed my boat! I have to wait 1 hour for the next boat to arrive.
Ah,
Now I'm crying. 1 hour later. Yes! The boat finally arrived!
and I'm dead on the boat. I fell off the boat and I'm dead.
Yes! Oh, it's a cannon. I'm gonna put that there. Not doing anything, okay? I'm not doing anything.
No.
Ha 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 ha. Yes! That worked! You died. Went back. You just went back. 1 hour later, no, you came back when you just died.
I died.
Guys, so we might have to end it. I'm just gonna. Dude, I think we're gonna have to end it. Dude, stop! Dude, pick something. Dude, stop! Hello! Dude! Just pick something. So where are you gonna put it? Yeah, put it there. No, put it on top of the barrel.
No, I can't.
Oh. There, put it there.
Is that portable?
Maybe, maybe not.
Damn it, you said. No, you can't get back up.
Oh guys, we're gonna have to end it. Okay, bye.